Hello, and welcome to the 2014 Merit Shop Construction Awards informational session. My name is Rebecca Hoff, and I am the North Central Council Manager for Associated Builders and Contractors of Indiana and Kentucky. During this awards informational session, I would like to just bring everybody to the same page about what our awards are, why our members choose to participate, what is involved in the application process, some specific dates and deadlines for 2014, and then finally go over exactly what a member would receive if that company was chosen to win an award. I do want to cover each of these topics in depth. However, I will try to be as succinct as possible because I do value your time. Again, thanks for joining us for this 2014 Merit Shop Construction Awards informational session. The Merit Shop Construction Awards are divided into three categories. There's the Award of Excellence in Construction, the Award of Excellence in Safety, and the Douglas S. Trolson Image Award. Let's begin with the Awards of Excellence in Construction. The recipient of this award excels in innovation, quality, communication, safety, and the ability to overcome obstacles. This award is related to a specific project that your company has completed. Please note that these projects must be completed between June 1st, 2013 and May 31st, 2014 in order to be eligible for this year's awards. Projects can be submitted into any of the 17 categories. These categories include things such as commercial, industrial, churches, healthcare, mechanical, site work, and so on. When looking at the application for these awards, you'll notice that several of these categories are also divided into subcategories based on the project's total value. This would be categories such as under $3 million, $3 to $10 million, $10 to $25 million, and over $25 million. The next awards category is the Awards of Excellence in Safety. Recipients of this award are contractors that have taken great strides to protect their employees through implementation of safety programs. Please note that this award is given to a general contractor and to a subcontractor. Each participating company will evaluate their current safety program by looking at 20 key components. These 20 key components include things such as employer involvement, employer policy statement on safety, responsibility for safety, resources for safety, pre-planning for job site safety, etc. A complete list of the 20 key components is found on the application, and the definitions of each of these components can be found on the ABC National website. These are the same 20 key components found in the STEP program. However, you do not have to participate in the STEP program in order to be eligible to receive this award. The third and final category is the Douglas S. Trolson Image Award. On the evening of the gala, there will actually be two awards given in this category. The first one will be given to the Excellence Award winner that completed the largest percentage of work using fellow ABC of Indiana, Kentucky members for their winning project. The second Image Award will be given to a general contractor or subcontractor and associate or supplier member who supports the Merit Shop philosophy and ABC with both words and actions. Members will evaluate their activity with ABC by looking at 10 different categories. These categories include things such as being a member in good standing, representing the ABC philosophy in your company image, using the ABC logo, being active in our leadership, being active in our training programs, attending events, and so on. Now let's look at, in the past, why members have chosen to participate in this awards program. Greg Turner, the president and CEO of R.L. Turner, says, "The ABC Awards is a great way to be recognized by our peers and display our Merit Shop capabilities. We also strongly believe this is a great marketing and retention opportunity. Owners, designers, construction partners, and employees get to see the diverse types of projects our team performs, as well as our mark of excellence within the industry. If successful, our projects are displayed in the IBJ and distributed to hundreds more customers or potential customers. After each ABC Awards banquet, we receive many phone calls or communications congratulating us on our project success and are given the opportunity to reconnect or connect with customers. This is another great tool in our arsenal to remind and inform our customers that R.L. Turner is their premier construction partner. Mercedes Enrique with Custom Mechanical Systems Corporation says, CMS routinely submits proposals for federal contracts. It is a great honor and benefit to our proposal submissions to list awards recognizing our outstanding work on projects, as well as our strong safety record. We especially appreciated the celebration of our team members' dedicated work that such recognition represents. Our winning entry in 2012 received the Navy's highest award for outstanding safety during construction. Winning recognition for the construction project as a whole is also significant, and we have proudly mentioned the award in proposals for additional work. The application process was fruitful as well. The write-ups have found subsequent use in proposals and award submissions. Al Worcester, president of Worcester Construction Company, says, for Worcester, winning an ABC award is twofold. First, it's a matter of pride for our company and our employees. It's external confirmation for our employees of the quality of their work in competition with the industry and gives them a chance to celebrate the projects they have completed. Secondly, it's a matter of marketing. We strive to win because the recognition is helpful in promoting our firm, our subcontractors, and our clients. We send out a press release and we put it on our website. Winning an ABC award showcases our work for our clients and potential clients and reinforces the quality of work that a merit shop contractor can deliver. ABC has helped promote the quality and partnership of subcontractors that we have used on these projects. Christy Wines with Midwest Constructors says, the ABC Awards program is a wonderful tool to use for both project owners and merit shop businesses. The owner for our project was present at the gala last year when we were given our award. Being present for this, as well as others received awards, I believe was a great opportunity for the owner to learn more about merit shop organizations and the quality of work they perform. From a marketing standpoint, the coverage in the IBJ was very beneficial for us as well as other merit shop businesses. Joe Doherty with Louisville Paving Company says, we participated this past year in the awards program because we are proud of our company, our employees, and our work product. Winning an award last year meant a lot to my staff and employees. The recognition builds pride and teamwork. So what I'm hearing is that our members participate for several reasons. One being marketing opportunities. The second one, the ability to use these awards and make them in addition to your proposal or bids. A way to reward employees for a job well done. And finally, our members participate to show the construction industry the quality of work that can be completed by merit shop companies. So, should you choose to participate in this year's Merit Shop Construction Awards, I want to briefly go through what you'll need to do. First of all, I'm going to show you some new applications. These were made in Adobe and are just clickable forms that should be easy for you to fill out. The fee to submit an entry is $150 per entry. You are willing and encouraged to submit multiple entries for multiple projects that you've completed during the time frame. Also note that Executive Club members do receive one free entry. Entries beyond that are at the $150 entry fee. You'll also notice, based on the category that you're submitting your awards into, the Awards of Excellence, Awards of Safety, or the Image Award, that additional things are requested: pictures, CDs, letters, official documents, etc. So make sure, as you're filling out those applications, that you make note of other things that are required when you submit your entry. So let's take a moment and look at the Award of Excellence in Construction application. So the first page of each application will give you some general guidelines, a little background on the award, and at the bottom you'll see some important information. Some of this important information reminds you again of the dates that the project must be completed between, that it is your responsibility as the ABC member to receive permission from the owner to submit this project. You'll find, again, a reminder about the fee. You'll find the due date of these applications, which is Friday, June 13th. Number 5 will show you the additional things that need to be submitted beyond the entry form. So for example, for these construction awards, you're asked for a CD or DVD labeled with your company and project name, including the entry form, logo of your company, and 5 to 8 digital images. At the bottom, you'll see the address for where all of your applications can be sent to. The first page of the application is just your general entry form. This is the background information for your company name, address, name of the project, a contact person, project location, those kind of things. You'll also see down toward the bottom the entry category and a drop-down menu so that you can choose which category your entry fits in. You'll notice the ones with asterisks beside, as I mentioned, those are the categories that are then broken into subcategories based on their project value. The second page of the application is your project description and significance. Again, some background information, owner, project name, project cost, those kind of things. You'll notice the scope of work where we ask you to briefly describe the type of work that was completed. You'll notice that a lot of these categories do have a maximum character count, so keep that in mind when you're formulating your answers. The next down is project significance. You'll notice in red that there are points awarded to this section and in the 2 following sections as well. This is the total number of points that a judge can give you in this section. So in the project significance section, you're asked to describe why this project is deserving of an award in regards to public relations, engineering, architecture, political importance, industry impact, etc. The judges do prefer that you be very brief. In fact, you could even choose to use bullet points rather than writing in paragraph form. We do ask you to make sure that you do not include your company name in this section and in the following sections so that the judging can be as objective as possible. Next page is the project constructability. You'll notice that there's 58 points possible in this section. This is the largest section of the application as far as the point value. This section should include a description of innovative programs relating to personnel management, quality control, scheduling, value engineering, cash flow, site, owner, dollar value, obstacles to overcome, degree of difficulty, and extenuating circumstances. Again, please don't include your company name in this section. Also note that our judges do have a significant background in the construction industry. With this in mind, you don't need to feel the need to explain construction processes. They will know what you're talking about, per se. I do ask, however, that you avoid using abbreviations in these sections. That is helpful. Another thing to note in regards to the photos that are required. For the Awards of Excellence in Construction, you can provide 5 to 8 photos. The judges do prefer that these photos be throughout the entire construction process, not just all end pictures, some from the beginning, middle, and end. Go ahead and number those pictures 1 through 5, 1 through 8, depending on how many pictures you have, and then refer to them specifically in the application when you want the judges to be viewing that. So when you're talking about picture 1, go ahead and put in there, see picture 1, and then describe how that relates to your application. The final area for you to receive points from the judges is based on the project safety. A lot of the safety questions are just yes or no answers, so that should be easy enough. Number 10 does allow you to provide additional information pertaining to this project as it relates to safety if you would choose to do that. The final page of this application has to do with the member involvement. If you'll remember, there is an image award given to the company that completes the largest percentage of work by using fellow ABC of Indiana, Kentucky members. This is the page where we ask you to figure out some percentages and list the ABC members that you used. You'll notice we're asking you for a percentage of work you self-performed, percentage of work completed by fellow members, and the percentage of work completed by other contractors. You'll notice at the top that there is a way for you to figure out those percentages. We ask that you divide the amount paid to each participating contractor by the total project cost. This will result in a percentage, and you'll see down at the bottom where you would list all of those percentages. When this application was sent out via email, there was also included a current membership listing. That is a list of our entire membership, so you can check back and forth to make sure whether the contractors you are using are ABC members or not. We do ask that you would pay specific attention to spelling of those company names as well as punctuation when you're filling out this page. So that is the application in a nutshell. Let's get back to our PowerPoint and continue. All right, so some specific dates and deadlines that you need to know for 2014. Award applications were sent via email on the 14th of April. If you did not receive those in your email, please let me know, and I will get that resent to you as soon as possible. Award applications are due June 13th here at the Indianapolis office. There's an address on the applications for you to mail them to. If you do work in the area, please feel free. You can just drop that by our office as opposed to mailing if you would prefer. Winners will be notified by mail on July 21st, and our awards gala will be on September 25th. The awards gala is being held in Indianapolis, Indiana, downtown at the Indiana Roof Ballroom. So you can go ahead and put that on your calendar and start making plans to attend. So if you are chosen to receive an award, what's next? Again, like I mentioned, you will receive written notification via mail on July 21st to let you know if you have been selected to win an award. For the Awards of Excellence in Construction, you can receive an Award of Excellence as in first place or an Award of Honor in second place. The Award of Excellence in Safety, there is just an Excellence Award for that one, and then there are the 2 Image Awards as well. When you receive this written notification, part of that notification will include some more deadlines, reservation deadlines for attending the gala, as well as things such as script deadlines for a digital presentation that we put together. You will receive 3 engraved awards at the gala. Most often, one of these awards is given to the ABC member, one to the owner, and then one to the architect or engineer of the project. Additional awards can be purchased by you, the member, and given to other people as well at the gala. The gala is an opportunity for you to honor employees, owners, architects, and engineers. So we do hope that should you receive an award, you will definitely be in attendance that evening. You will receive recognition in a digital presentation during the gala. You will receive recognition on our website and in the Merit Contractor Connection, and you will receive recognition in media publications across our 2 states. So this is our 2014 Merit Shop Construction Awards program in a nutshell. I do encourage you to participate for the marketing opportunities, the recognition of your employees, the addition to project submissions and bids that these awards can be, and the education to the construction industry of the quality of work performed by Merit Shop contractors. If you have additional questions about this webinar or about the applications themselves, please do contact me, Rebecca Hoff, via phone or email, and my phone number and email address are on the screen for you now. Again, I thank you for taking the time to listen to this awards informational session, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any good questions. Good luck.